Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to comment a GIF on Instagram. So to do this process, first thing is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application into your device. Now from here, of course, you can just simply go ahead and tap on a specific post that you want to comment to. For example, I'm going to go for this one. It is a Red Bull post. Now I'm gonna go for the comment section, of course. And now, in order for you to comment a GIF, you can just simply tap on add a comment down below. And you will have the smiley face icon on the right side of the screen, guys. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have two options over here. Either create a avatar or GIF. And now here on the GIF, you will have multiple options and you can utilize the search icon over here to search for a specific GIF. So just simply provide a specific keyword that you might want to consider. And the more specific you are, the better the results, of course. And from here, as you can see, there are multiple options that you can send to. For example, I'm going to go for this one. And from here, as you can see, automatically my GIF will be posted on the Instagram. And from here, I should be able to comment a GIF on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.